big ass mouth. Like that. Face to face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Cool with all the thugs since my nigga told me gang signs bad bitch. Bitches be like, where the fuck your waistline? Body like a porn star, he fucked me like he fresh out. Coulda fucked.
I'm gonna be doing my edges. I'm gonna show you what I use to do them. So I use this gel called Eco Styling Gel, and I really love it. And then I'm gonna be taking a toothbrush to do my edges, and then a spoolie. What I use with the spoolie is that I like to pull out any of my baby hairs that I have, just like that. Just like that. Sometimes you could like lay them out like where you want your edges to go, but I don't do that. But I'm just gonna take my gel now, and I'm gonna be dabbing it in, well, tapping it, whatever, just like that. Just grab a little bit of product, and then I'm just gonna start going like this, and then you want to use one of your fingers to hold it down so it won't move, like however you want to do your edge, like wherever you want them to go. By putting your finger down, it like holds it in place, so just like that. See? So I'm gonna be putting more gel. That. Just like that. Just put a little bit on my sideburns, like right here. Just like that. This is how I do my edges.
Okay.
Fuck, got a big ass mouth. face with it, can't be beefing through no FaceTime. Cool with all the thugs since my nigga told me gang signs bad, bitch. Bitches be like, where the fuck your waistline? Body like a